chemistry reaction.
Now let me welcome everybody to the midterm test. Better listen up if you wanna be the best. Go hard to table like a new tool, like trial. This is just a lesson too. Don't forget backside attack, inverse stereochemistry, hash and wedge. Be sure to draw them pretty. Tertiary carbons, that's an S and 1. Lose their order as a solvent, that's what makes it fun. First step, take it slow with dissociation. Nuke attack followed by deprotonation. Tebuloromide, that's your new best friend. Like drugs, pure math, that's what we recommend.